Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up thumbnail contrast checks using Adobe Photoshop. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Create a new document by selecting File in the top menu and then New. Set your desired dimensions for the thumbnail. Choose the resolution you want to work with, typically 72 ppi for web use. Click Create to open a blank canvas. Import your thumbnail image by clicking File and then Open. Locate your image file and click Open. Once the image is open, create a duplicate layer by right-clicking on the layer in the Layers panel and selecting Duplicate Layer. This will allow you to keep the original image intact. With the duplicate layer selected, go to Image in the top menu and then select Adjustments. Choose Brightness/Contrast from the drop-down menu. In the dialog box that appears, adjust the contrast slider to enhance the distinction between light and dark areas. Experiment with the brightness settings to ensure your thumbnail stands out. Click OK once you are satisfied with the adjustments. Next, to perform a contrast check, create a new layer by selecting Layer in the top menu, then New and Layer. Fill this layer with pure black color by selecting the Paint Bucket tool and clicking anywhere on the canvas. Change the layer's blending mode to difference using the drop-down menu in the Layers panel. If your thumbnail remains visible, your contrast is sufficient. To further analyze, you can toggle the visibility of the black layer on and off. This will help you assess how well the thumbnail stands out against various backgrounds. Once you are satisfied with the contrast results, you can remove the black layer. Save your thumbnail by clicking File in the top menu, then select Save As. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPEG. Name your file appropriately and choose the location to save it. Click Save and adjust the settings as desired. Your thumbnail is now ready with optimized contrast checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.